I am shopping for my client inside of HomeSense right now. And so far I got this cute little olive tree and then this green pillow for his sofa. I found one of these cute little things. And this is gorgeous. But I love getting these for my clients because sometimes when you don't have like a whole lot of storage, like cabinets and stuff, then these are cute little things. You can put candy, you can put like whatever you want. They're heavy, people are not going to bother them too much. This pretty lantern, so I want to dress that up. But his space is going to be sleek, modern, not too much going on. On it, I don't want all that. It's not sleek and modern enough, so I'm not going to do that. Here they are. I'm not going to go too crazy because they always got so many words and stuff on them. It smells good. And then the other thing that gets on my nerves is that they put the stickers like smack on them instead of the bottom. So let me smell this one. That one smells so good. So here's the entry to his apartment, and this is his gorgeous view. Okay, so let's head up the stairs to his living room. Here's the before, and this is my design for how I want it to look. The first thing we're doing is installing some accent lighting to highlight his artwork. Since this is a rental unit, we're only using nails where we have to, and everywhere else we're just using command strips.